You might heard a popular saying. Your body is what you eat, so that got me think about the paleo diet. The paleo diet is designed to resemble what human hunter-gatherer ancestors ate thousands of years ago. The great part of this diet is, it will reduce your body fat and make you fit and strong. Although it's impossible to know exactly what human ancestors ate in different parts of the world, researchers believe their diets consisted of whole foods. By following a whole food-based diet and leading physically active lives, hunter-gatherers presumably had much lower rates of lifestyle diseases, such as obesity, diabetes and heart disease. In fact, several studies suggest that this diet can lead to significant weight loss without calorie counting and major improvements in health. This article is a basic introduction to the paleo diet, providing a simple meal plan and other essential information. The paleo diet meal plan. There is no one right way to eat for everyone, and Paleolithic humans thrived on a variety of diets, depending on what was available at the time and where in the world they lived. Some ate a low-carb diet high in animal foods, while others followed a high-carb diet with lots of plants. Consider this as a general guideline, not something written in stone. You can adapt all of this to your own personal needs and preferences. Here are the basics. Eat meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, herbs, spices, healthy fats and oils. Avoid processed foods, sugar, soft drinks, grains, most dairy products, legumes, artificial sweeteners, vegetable oils, margarine and trans fats. Foods to eat on the paleo diet. Base your diet on whole, unprocessed paleo foods, meat, beef, lamb, chicken, turkey, pork and others. Fish and seafood, salmon, trout, haddock, shrimp, shellfish, etc. Choose wild caught if you can. Eggs. Choose free-range, pastured or omega-3 enriched eggs. Herbal syrup, this only on will give you an unfair advantage to reduce your belly fat. Check the first link in the description for more details. Vegetables. Broccoli, kale, peppers, onions, carrots, tomatoes, etc. Fruits, apples, bananas, oranges, pears, avocados, strawberries, blueberries and more. Tubers, potatoes, sweet potatoes, yams, turnips, etc. Nuts and seeds, almonds, macadamia nuts, walnuts, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds and more. Healthy fats and oils, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil and others. Salt and spices, sea salt, garlic, turmeric, rosemary, etc. Try to choose grass-fed, pasture-raised and organic if you can afford it. If not, just make sure to always go for the least processed option. Foods to avoid on the paleo diet. Avoid these foods and ingredients: sugar and high fructose corn syrup, soft drinks, fruit juices, table sugar, candy, pastries, ice cream and many others. Grains includes breads and pastas, wheat, spelt, rye, barley, etc. Legumes, beans, lentils and many more. Dairy, avoid most dairy, especially low-fat. Some versions of paleo do include full-fat dairy like butter and cheese. Some vegetable oils, soybean oil, sunflower oil, cottonseed oil, corn oil, grapeseed oil, safflower oil and others. Trans fats, found in margarine and various processed foods. Usually referred to as hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated oils. Artificial sweeteners. Aspartame, sucralose, cyclamates, saccharin, acesulfame potassium. Use natural sweeteners instead. Highly processed foods, everything labeled diet or low fat or that has many additives. Includes artificial meal replacements. A simple guideline: if it looks like it was made in a factory, don't eat it. Modified paleo diets. Over the past few years, the paleo community has evolved quite a bit. There are now several different versions of the paleo diet. Many of them allow some modern foods that science suggests are healthy. These include quality grass-fed butter and even some gluten-free grains like rice. Many people now think of paleo as a template to base your diet on, not necessarily a strict set of rules that you must follow. Are you gonna try paleo diet? Then tell us which foods you will intake in the comments below. We will meet you in another video of BodyTube TV.